All right, so new tonight, we are spotlighting the beat that moves D.C. We're talking about go-go music. So this evening, Georgetown Law's Human Rights Institute showed a new documentary and art exhibit. It is part of a series, Storytelling for Social Change.
Yeah, it's called Something for the People. It was created and directed by D.C. natives Justin Yadiah Johnson and Sebastian Luis Vizcarra. And from chants to cultural pride, the film and the exhibit explore how go-go music became a fight for justice and the sound of survival in the nation's capital during the 2020 protests. It captures the sights and the sounds of the movement known as Moechella.
Go-go to me is more the symbol of our culture, not just a symbol of a genre or the name for a genre of music. It's more of a lifestyle and more of a way that you can look at how a person may dress, how they may speak, how they may carry themselves. And you know, I realized just by traveling a lot that there's no other black people in the country or the world like the ones you find right here in the DMV area.
Making people remember what unity and the networks and the communities that were built around go-go and protest, what they look like. And I also think it's very important for transplants that are becoming part of this resistance here in Washington, for them to be educated on what came before them and how the music ties in and how that ties into the cultures.
And the film includes popular bands like Backyard and New Impressions. Tonight's viewing was a private screening, but the directors say they hope to show it to the rest of us very soon. You can learn more about this stamp on history on our website, WUSA9.com.